Are you the proud owner of an Echo Show 15? Want it to help you stay informed, entertained, and organized? This video can help. I'm going to show you how to replace all of this with these widgets. What are widgets, you ask? Excellent question. Widgets display the latest information from your favorite Alexa content. They give you quick access to the things that matter most to you. Like appointments, personal notes, to-dos, and tracking Amazon deliveries.
Incoming!
Thanks! You can find different kinds of widgets in the Widget Gallery. Just ask Alexa, what widgets can I add? Now, choose the widgets you'd like to add to your widget panel. I'm gonna add the music widget. How about some smooth jazz to accompany this next part? You can rearrange widgets, remove widgets, and some widgets can be resized. There are widgets for things like checking the weather or managing your favorite smart home devices. There's even a widget for making waffles.
No, there's not.
There should be. Well, now you know your way around widgets. What about the smoothie widget?
Doesn't exist.
Okay,